All right, so let's go ahead and issue another run, but this time around in audit mode. So if you remember earlier, we triggered the run in participant mode. Let's see if we still have the command. That is this here. Mode is participant. We want to issue another run, but this time around in audit mode, as you can see. And the output file is an audit.json. So we run this. Shouldn't take too long. I'll give it a minute or two. Yes, and then that's done. Let's inspect our audit.json file. As you can see, it's very similar to the submission.json file. And you can inspect all the fields to verify. But this doesn't stop here because the audit.json is to be compared with the submission.json, which is what you are meant to submit. When you are running your commands, you use the participant mode to generate your submission JSON file. And let's see, so this is the comparison that happens where you compare the submission and the audit JSON file to output a verdict. And as you can see, this was a pass, as you can see. So let's inspect our verdict.json file, and there it issues a pass with all the field parameters that are necessary. So tolerances exist because your laptop and our virtual machine, which will be used for auditing, can have like slight variations. So it's allowed, right? It's not a problem. In real audit mode, the accuracy is mandatory. So if you are issuing a submission and you don't include accuracy, it will be rejected. So run the profiler on hardware that is close to the standard laptop profile, because all of these will be verified. Your submission will be verified against a real audit process. And if there is a mismatch, then the submission will not pass. It will fail instead. So please take note of this.